It is so important to get more women in science for their talents, their abilities. Women can multitask. That on its own is a plus on their side. And women can follow through. Research requires persistence, it requires patience, and it requires commitment. Sometimes I've seen with some of my male students, they find it more challenging. I don't know, it's just an observation. Women can persist and are patient, and because often they have so many pressures around them, it then forces them to perform. They end up outperforming men because they have responsibilities of the home, other responsibilities. Whereas if men on the other side, I'm not meaning to be sexist, however, it's if, as they say, if you want something done, give it to a busy person. The pressure on women ultimately by default forces them to work harder, and they want to make sure that they get it right the first time because they don't have the luxury of time. So it's very important that we leverage on the capabilities of women, and particularly in science. We really need more women in science. I encourage every little girl to take a career in the science field. It's very exciting nowadays.